The total what you pay is $7.34. By clicking the link in the description, you will come to this page. Make sure you're using that link. You will see this 15% discount automatically at checkout. You can directly go to their website. However, you don't see that 15% discount at the time of checkout, which you will see in the video. So make sure you're using the link. And by using this link, you will come to this page and here you click get started now. You will come to this page, tell us about your business, click new, and depending on province, you will choose your province and then click next. You will come to this compare your option page. Here you will select sole proprietorship. For sole proprietorship, you will enter the company name. Once the company name is entered and you click next, on this page, you will create your account by entering your credentials, that is first name, last name, email, and password. So I have pre-filled the dashboard. Here you see Nova Vision Council, the company's name for the sole proprietorship, and then in account information, phone number, and then here the name as it appears on the government ID. So that has to be entered with prefix, date of birth, what you have in the government ID. Once this is done, you enter your residence detail. So the residence here shown as for the Quebec province because the company sole proprietorship is in Quebec. And once this is done, come down, my professional address and personal residence are same. I have ticked this. If it is not the case, then the address section will open where you have to enter the address. I am a Canadian resident is what I have selected. Who Canadian resident is? Who is either a citizen or a permanent resident and ordinarily reside in Canada. So you can read more details here. Once this is done, click next. On this page, the business information page, Quebec enterprise number. I don't have an existing business, so I'm selecting that. I have an existing business. So the assumption is you don't have a business and you're opening new. Then you click next. My company will be sole proprietorship based in Quebec. Then the Quebec address is shown here. My company will operate in. So here you have to, let me take this out. Once you start typing, you will get this drop down option. So in this, I'm going with management consulting firms. In your case, you'll have to choose the closest industry to which your business is and then select this option. Then number of employees your company currently has in Quebec, I've kept 0. Then if you operate in tobacco retail outlet or artificial tanning service, you'll have to select this. If not, just leave as it is. Then click next. So this is the name confirmation section and this is a compliance requirement. So you can go and read this more in detail here. These are given. So in my case, the company name, what is given, I'm good with this. And then a description of the company. Give as much as description as possible. Then once it shows the requirements are met, just come down and click next. We are now on the package overview section. Don't worry about this $49. This will all get reduced. Once you come down and click next, this is the billing information page. So government registration typically is $37 and then there is a owner registration fee. This government registration fee becomes free and with opening of RBC bank account, you will need a business bank account to operate your business. So once you open this RBC bank account, you pay nothing here as a registration fee. And the total what you pay is $7.34. So once you select this, you will have to open RBC business bank account within 60 days of the payment. If you don't open, then this discount will not apply. How? The credit card which you will use will be charged for this remaining $49. So once you go to the next, here you enter your card details. And once that is done, go ahead and pay. And once the payment is done, you do a final review and submit, after which the company will get your sole proprietorship registered and then they will inform that now it is active. So friends, I hope you found this video useful. Make sure to use the link below to get all that what you saw on the screen. And thanks for watching. Friends, do check out my website, CanadaTriedAndTested.com, which I keep updating from time to time. And as you can see, I have organized everything in a way easy for you to find based on the topic of your interest.